This 2024 Palomino Real-Lite Mini RL191 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.